Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to find the limit of any function using the algebraic approach in Geogebra. So just go to View and open the CAS window. This is where we actually do calculations in Geogebra. So when I open it, so this way I can enter limits, I'll write the function and anything that I want. But to make it nice, always enter your function here. Let's say I enter x squared plus 2x plus 3. Good. So now I want to find the limit. What I have to do is just type limit, and I can see limits above, which means limits as you're approaching from the right, and this one from the left. So I'm going to choose limit above. So my expression is f, so I just enter f, and my value is, let's say we are approaching 2. Enter that. That means from the right we get 11 if the value is 2. So now let's do from the left. Limit what? Below. So that one is f and the same 2. So that means that the limiting value itself should exist, which is the first option, this option. So click on it. The expression is f and 2. Correct. So that means if the left and the right are equal, it means that what? The limit should also be what? Equal. So you can try that for other functions. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye.